Want great looking skin without harmful chemicals? In today's video, I will show you how to make your own natural skincare products right at home. I will demonstrate step-by-step recipes, and the first one that I'm going to do is a chamomile and fennel spritzer. This is a very gentle body spritzer. Can be used on the face, but you can use it on your whole body. It is especially soothing for dry and puffy skin. Chamomile is related to the daisy family, and it's been used on the skin for centuries. The two popular ones that I use is the Roman and the German chamomile. And both of these are good for wound healing. They're also good for breakouts on the skin. And this would include things like ulcers and sores on the skin. It is also good for anxiety relief, stress. It is also good for skin conditions like eczema and rashes. It is also an anti-inflammatory. Fennel is also an anti-inflammatory and an antioxidant for the skin. So combining these two herbs together make a relaxing anti-inflammatory spritzer for the skin. So I've combined the chamomile, the fennel, and then I have added the cup of water, and I am going to let this steep for 30 minutes. And then I will cook the herbs in the water gently over a low heat for about 10 minutes, okay? So then after the 10 minutes, you are going to strain off and discard the herbs. You can apply this wash to warm to your skin. You can put it in a spray bottle, use it as a spritzer. And this is July, so this would be a great Christmas gift, especially if you have some decorative bottle. If you have a Cricut, you can make labels. You can buy labels. You can get those labels that are like chalk labels, or if you have a label maker. So it'd make a great gift for somebody that has dry, puffy skin. So here's a shot of the chamomile and fennel herbs, and you can see the liquid below. And let that, it's still dripping a little bit, so we'll let that go a little longer. So I'm going to strain this again into another bottle because that strainer was a little big and I don't have any cheesecloth, so I'm going to strain this a little bit more. As you can see, got a little sediment in the bottom, so you don't want that in your sprayer. And then if you have some spray bottles, you could fill it up with this. Now remember, this has no preservatives, so if you're putting it in a spray bottle, I would put this bottle in the refrigerator because it has no preservatives, so it could get a little yucky. And then, of course, put it in your bottle. You could put a nice label on this. Great gifts at Christmas. And there you have it. A little spritzer. Oh, it smells wonderful. Wow. I wish you could smell. And there it is. The second demonstration that I will do is a rich and creamy cleanser. This is a great cleanser. This is great for dehydrated skin. And this recipe uses beeswax, lanolin, almond oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, and you're going to want to use some water, so I recommend purified or spring water. It also uses Clary Sage and lemon essential oils. Beeswax is a sustainable, natural product that can be used to obtain chemical-free body products. Make sure that you get a quality beeswax from a trusted source. Lanolin is a waxy substance that sheep produce to protect their wool, and it also makes their skin water resistant. It is a natural moisturizer. If you are allergic to wool, though, you wouldn't want to make this recipe because you'd want to avoid lanolin. It's rare, but some people do have a reaction. Almond oil is a great source of vitamin E, and it helps to reduce the loss of moisture in the skin. It's good for sensitive skin. It helps to protect the skin from sun damage and premature aging, and you know the sun does that. So it also helps with stretch marks, so when we're pregnant, and it is a gentle makeup remover and a natural skin and hair moisturizer. So you can put it in your hair in the shower and then wash your hair, or you can put it in your hair, put on a shower cap, and then later on wash your hair out. Avocado oil is a great source of fatty acid and nutrients that are beneficial for the skin, like vitamin A and vitamin E, for healthier skin, which helps with free radicals that can damage cells over time. And you know the sun does that. It also helps with itchy skin, dry skin. It can hydrate and moisturize the skin. Grapeseed oil is great for the skin to calm the skin, improve skin's elasticity and softness. It also helps with acne breakouts because of its antimicrobial properties. It also has an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The next ingredient is Clary Sage, and this essential oil is my favorite. It belongs to the mint family, and it has benefits for the skin. It can help to prevent acne. It can reduce inflammation. It has natural remedies for rashes. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps with redness and blotchiness of the skin. It balancing of hormone levels, and it increased circulation, which helps to kill bacteria and infections. If you are pregnant, do not use this in your first trimester. My next ingredient is lemon oil, and it's good for the skin because it brings brightness to the skin tone, it lightens dark spots, it treats acne, and it helps to prevent premature signs of aging. It is also a natural exfoliant, and it contains vitamin C and antioxidants. It does enhance the complexion, and lemon most common side effect is it can be irritating to the skin in large amounts, but you're only using 2 drops in this recipe. So this is the rich cleansing cream, and this is a great food for dehydrated skin. So I am going to use ½ ounce of beeswax, 1 ounce of lanolin, 2 ounces of almond oil, 1 ounce of avocado oil, 1 ounce of grapeseed oil, and then 3 ounces of purified water. I'm also going to add 2 drops of Clary Sage, 2 drops of lemon. And I am going to melt all this in a double boiler. And I am going to melt the beeswax, the lanolin, and the oil. So I'm going to stir everything together. And then I'm going to add the essential oils at the last part because you don't want to overheat them. And I'm going to take the pot off the heat and slowly add in the water. And then I will mix this in a blender, or you can use a whisk if you don't have a blender. And you're going to do this till it cools down. So now that the lanolin, the beeswax, everything has melted, I'm going to take it off the burner. I'm going to add the essential oils and then slowly beat in the water. And so that was 2 drops of the Clary Sage and 2 drops of the lemon. I already have a lemon open. If you didn't know, lemon essential oils, it will take off sticky labels on anything without damaging the surface. So I use lemon in my kitchen all the time. Like I said, I'm just going to add in the water. And you just do a little at a time. So here it is with the lid. I was wrong. The Yoplait lids do fit on these. And I just sort of swirl it around right before it sets to give it a nice little top to it. But these are the Yoplait lids, and they do fit that container also. You can order these from Yoplait, and I sort of like these too because, you know, it's clear and somebody can see what it is. Nice label. I'll have to do a video on putting the labels on these. All right, there. My third demonstration is for your hair. You're going to massage equal parts of Clary Sage essential oil and rosemary essential oil into your scalp while you're in the shower. Then you will shampoo and rinse them out. Both of these oils leave your hair and your scalp feeling great. The rosemary with the Clary Sage will increase circulation in your scalp. And there are suggestions that it helps with hair growth. Now, not to say that you can't have a reaction to a natural product. So if you are using a natural product or any product that you've never used before, you should always do a patch test. If you're making a skincare product at home, or whether you're using a skincare that, like I said, that you've never used before. But like anything you purchase, make sure your essential oils and herb ingredients that you purchase are pure and from a reliable company. I will list some of the ones I use in the comments below. So try these recipes at home. Let me know your results in the comments below. Don't miss out on my next video where I will introduce you to some trusted skincare and cosmetic products and companies that I trust and use. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can keep track of my upcoming videos in this series. I will continue to provide you with great recipes, skincare products that you can trust that are safe for your health. Stay beautiful, and thanks for watching.